Ever wondered how quickly you can get your money back after making an investment? That's where the payback period comes in, a simple, snappy tool that tells you exactly how long you'll be waiting before you recoup your initial costs. To work it out, all you need is this formula. Payback period equals the cost of investment divided by the average annual cash flow. So, say you put £1,000 into a project and it brings you £250 a year. Simple maths. 1,000 divided by 250 gives you 4 years. That's your payback period. Why does this matter? Well, both individuals and big companies use the payback period to spot which investments will return their money fastest. It's especially handy for startups and small businesses where quick returns and managing cash flow are crucial. If you're thinking about solar panels for your home or investing in new tech for your business, the payback period helps you see how long it'll take to get your money back. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. No complicated maths, no financial wizardry, just a clear answer to how soon can I get my cash back. It's also perfect for risk assessment, focusing your attention on investments that pay off quicker, making it much easier to communicate decisions, even if you're not a finance pro. But here's the catch. The payback period isn't perfect. It ignores the time value of money, meaning it doesn't account for the fact that money in your pocket today is worth more than money in the future. Plus, it overlooks any cash you might earn after you've made your money back, and it doesn't say much about overall profitability or risk beyond the initial period. So think of the payback period as a quick first look, a way to screen your options and spot the fastest returns. For a deeper dive, you'll still want to look at other metrics, but for a straightforward starting point, it's hard to beat.